Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sasha, and in this video today, we're gonna go over some easy tips to stop yourself from overworking. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you can get my future videos on health and productivity to push your business or career to a higher level. First of all, as an entrepreneur myself and someone that's completely obsessed with growing my business, I understand how easy it is to completely lose yourself in the process of growing your business and your career. Look, it's simple, like I want to win. I want all of us to win. Whether it's scaling your business to 6 or 7 figures or getting that promotion at your job. That is what I want for all you guys because I know it's possible. It's super possible. You know what it's going to take though? Long-term sustainable systems. Overworking yourself to the point of burning out will not get us to the promised land. I promise you that. But without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1. You need to set clear boundaries. Don't just set these boundaries and then leave them and never think of them again. No, you need to set these boundaries and protect those boundaries as if your life depended on it. I know it sounds dramatic, but trust me, I know you could work 16-hour days. You could, but should you though? No, you shouldn't. It's that simple. Allocate a specific amount of time that you're going to be allowing yourself to work and then stick to that. Do not allow yourself to constantly go over that daily limit. Also, make sure you're present for whatever it is that you're doing. Are you going to work? Then work. Are you going to spend time with your partner? Spend time with your partner. Do not let yourself cross your own boundaries because it will come back to haunt you. Número 2. Always keep tweaking your vision. Something I tell all my clients to focus on is their vision. You need to understand that discipline and motivation alone isn't going to get you there. You need a strong, powerful vision for your future to be able to keep showing up day in and day out, even when you're tired and don't feel like it. That being said, what drove you a year ago might not be driving you today, guys. Revisit your vision and make sure that vision is still energizing you. It's still pumping you up. It's still making you want to jump up in the morning and get started. That is how I feel every single day. Why? Because I'm tuned into my vision. I'm aligned with my vision. That is why it's so important. And why is it so important? Well, a misaligned vision will trigger frustration. Ultimately, if you keep on neglecting that friction, that misalignment, you will go into this autopilot mode and start resenting your work. You don't want that. Number 3, get the right stuff done. Look, I know how easy it is to spend 10 to 12, even 14 hours a day working your ass off. But what I notice in working with clients is that there's a whole bunch of fake productivity going on. I'm guilty of it as well. Trust me, like I'll put my hand up. Now, are you spending your time on tasks that are truly a priority right now, or are you just doing busy work just because it's familiar, it's easy, and it's giving you that sense of comfort? Prioritize what truly matters. Don't spend your energy on all the stuff. Focus your energy on the right stuff. Every time you plan your workday, start off with a brain dump onto a piece of paper if you want to do it physically or do it digitally on an app. List every single thing that needs to be done that day. Then go over your items, every single one of them, and you decide, is this actually priority right now? You can even put them into little categories like work, personal life, hobbies, and then just make a list of it. Be like, okay, is this a priority? Yes or no? If it is, then put it into your calendar. If it's not, scratch it. It's not a priority. So focus on the things that truly need to be done, guys. Don't focus on all the things. Focus on the things that really are a priority right now and that will move your business forward. By the way, guys, if you're a busy professional or entrepreneur and you're worried that all the work that you're doing and all this pressure that you've given yourself is jeopardizing your health and your energy, I do offer one-on-one coaching and I would love to collaborate with you. So feel free to shoot me a message on one of my social and let's see if we can come up with a blueprint to get you to the next level of your business, to the next level in your career within 3 months. Number 4, understand you decide your calendar. Look, no one else is in charge of your calendar. It's just you. So stop taking on 32 different projects and tasks. Stop saying yes to every client, every supplier, to every social outing with friends. Your energy and your time are your 2 most important resources, and I want you to spend them wisely. It's quality over quantity here, guys, so protect your calendar at all costs. Number 5, learn how to say no. I kind of already alluded to this in number 4, but this is going to take self-control and discipline. If you don't learn how to say no to things that you don't really want to do, you're going to end up burning yourself out. I'm speaking from experience here, so there is only so much you can do. So next time you're not sure about something and you don't know whether to say yes or no, just ask yourself, is this taking me closer or further from my vision, from my goal and my ambitions in the future? If it is taking you closer, then go for it. If it isn't, then just drop it and say no. It's really that simple, guys. Learn how to say no, please. Number 6, stop the distractions. Slack, Trello, Asana, emails, your text, WhatsApp, Telegram, and so on and so on. In 2021, you get bombarded with alerts every single minute of the day. I get it. So what do I do in order to stop these focus killers to prevent me from getting into flow is to block off time every single workday where I just go ahead and turn off all the alerts. I'll put my phone into airplane mode even. Bye-bye distractions. Hello productivity heaven. Number 7, stop comparing. I'm sure you've seen this or personally experienced this. People bragging about how much they work as if it's some sort of medal of honor. You know what it is? That is just a sign of insecurity, and what they're looking for is validation from others. I don't want you to be one of these people. I want you to have your validation internally. You know your worth, you know what you're doing and what you're building towards. So don't be that person. But unfortunately, in this hyper-connected world, it's easy to get triggered seeing others work an insane amount. Those that you look up to are working ungodly hours, and we assume that it's a requirement for success to work 14, 15, 16-hour days. It's not. What good is all the success in the world and all the money in the world when you've overworked for years and years and you end up lonely, sick, and depressed? So stop looking at what others are doing. Look at your own life. Focus on that. Build your own empire sustainably and healthily. Guys, get in touch with me if you feel like making a change for once and for all. Stop coming up with temporary solutions. I've been in your shoes. If you don't act now, the only thing that will have changed in a year from today is that time will have passed. Let's create a blueprint to improve your energy, your biology, so you can unlock more professional wins. My info is in the description below, so just reach out to me. Let's get your journey started right here, right now, today. I appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.